Native video advertising has become mainstream. As the inventors of native video advertising, Teads are not only changing the game, we are reinventing the rules.
It's important to us because it allows us to get more contextual with the creative that our clients are putting forward and really get into a place where hopefully there's less blindness from the consumer and more of an opportunity to create impact.
We are now part of a multi-billion-dollar industry attracting the world's largest brands and media companies and creating a healthier world for them. Our call for sustainable advertising which respects users by engaging rather than enraging them, provides value and performance. Our solutions champion viewability, premium video, non-intrusive advertising, and help publishers monetize their content by opening up vast levels of inventory which simply didn't exist before. And where some lead, others follow. Native video advertising has now been adopted by some of the largest companies in the world, those such as Facebook, Yahoo, and AOL. But we know we're the leaders in our field, and the opportunity in front of us is huge.
Being able to tell them that it's not in front of actual content, it's not an in-stream unit, it's an out-stream play, but it being 100% viewable certainly helps.
We have rewritten the rules and put Teads and native video advertising firmly on the map. We have transformed into a cross-screen organization, won awards, worked tirelessly to deliver groundbreaking campaigns for the world's leading advertisers across any screen, and partnered with the most premium publications on the planet. We have hosted some of the industry's most talked about events, power the most sophisticated supply-side platform, enabling publishers to streamline their ad operations, opening up new inventory and revenue possibilities. We reach almost 1 billion unique users across the world and deliver more than 1 billion video ads every month. We are the strongest brand in ad tech. As we enter into a new era, the opportunity and future is ours for the making. This revolution is a new chapter in our story. This revolution is Teads.